The attraction Eleanor has for Jigsaw, John Kramer, I think she understands him, and she understands where he's coming from, and it's not just about killing people at random. There's a lot more behind it. There's a science, there's a religion to it, and it's meticulous. And I think she really enjoys the detail of it. I think Saw is so terrifying because it's so clever. I remember watching the first one years ago and thinking, like, not only is it gory, but there's a lot of thought behind it. I thought whoever came up with this premise is messed up, but it's it's smart, and that's why it's scary, because it's not just random acts of violence. It's very carefully planned out.